What's going on, guys? FX Brawler here. I'm a little tired of all these Forex videos about these guys that are, let's say they flip accounts for a $20 account, a $200 challenge where they take $200 and they bring it into 50,000. Like this guy, he claims that he can show you 5 easy strategies to 10x your money, but he never actually takes a trade. Or this guy over here, the that shows you how to turn $20 into $52,000. All you have to do is risk 30% per trade like an idiot. Or this guy, $50,000 to $10,000. All you need to do is to have a stop loss of 20 pips and then have a risk of 3% and keep doing that. And this guy over here says, nice title, turning $1,000 into $10,000 in 24 hours trading Bitcoin. And then at the end of the video, he asked, did I do it? No, I didn't. I made like $800 and now I'm probably going to get out because I'm going to lose it overnight. And this is the type of clickbait stuff that I've always tried to stay away from. So in order to be true to myself, I tried to give you guys some type of content that is similar to this, but is actually true. So what I did is I filmed myself for 30 days trading a micro account that I had since 2013. I used to do a lot of backtesting with trading systems, and it always ended up eating up my account, and I would end up with a small balance. And eventually I stopped doing that and I started trading manually like I've been teaching you guys. And that's when I really started making money. So I had that account that had like 200 something dollars in it. And I figured, what if I took a 200 micro account and showed my subscribers how I would actually trade if I had such a small amount and how to build it. So this video is basically just the results and talking about the videos that are coming, but basically I've made 4 videos that are a bunch of clips that are put together for each week for the 4 weeks that I film myself. So these are long form videos. I'm sure I'll lose a bunch of subscribers, but that's okay. I'm trying to help those that are very serious about trading, and I know it's not most subscribers, so that's fine if I lose subscribers. But I think that those that take time to watch and listen and then rewatch my videos about multiple time frame analysis and the technical patterns that I trade, you'll see that these put everything together into this format. So basically, I'll give you the results if you're just curious about the results. But in week 1, I made $19 on $227. And then week 2 was pretty much flat. I made $3 with 6 trades. And then on the next week, that's when the money started coming in. The trade started to work in my favor because I trade weekly patterns. So sometimes it takes a while before they start going my way, but when they go, they really go. So $87 with 6 trades. And over here, $80. I don't know if you see it with my camera. Let me turn it off. There you go. So $80 in this week over here. In the 4th week. So if we look at the statistics for this, I made 32 trades. I made $189 in profits in 4 weeks with $228. That's an 82% return on assets with a 78% win rate. Whoops, sorry. 78% win rate and a 1.5 risk reward. And over here, what you see is the balance, if I can stop clicking the button. So I never risked more than 5%. That was kind of the challenge that I had with this, because usually I risk a lot less than that. I risk like 1% because it represents enough money to make me nervous. But now, since it's a small account, the minimum lot size is such that I need to risk more than the 1% that I usually risk. So that's why it was at 5%. But normally, if I did everything that I did there with the bigger account, I would have had maybe 1/5 or 1/4 of the performance that I did now. So maybe around 15-20% return for the month, but taking a lot less risk as well in the process. But I still think that this is what I would do if trading a small account like this. Like, it's not worth my time really. I would rather work at McDonald's, I think, than spend a month to make $200 basically. But I think that for someone that is starting to trade the Forex market, the first way to do it is to try a demo account, and then once you start being profitable with that, then you can move on, but only go with a small account, micro account. $20, $200 is fine for the learning process, for the discipline. But if you start trying to flip your $200 account into $50,000, like in the past, I've taken $10,000 account and brought it up to 200K within a month, but then I lost it all in the next couple weeks after. So it's not sustainable. So what I try to do with these videos is to try to teach you how to analyze things and really pick your battles. And then when you're really sure that it's breaking in the direction that you thought it would, then you go for the jugular, and then I enter more lots at the intervals and things like that. So I encourage you guys to watch the long versions of these videos, and let me know if you like them. Maybe I'll reproduce the process in the future if there's a good response. If not, oh well. So I'll see you guys in the next video.